Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you some born pretty Japanese swatches and reviews. So they sent me a few products. So this is the first one. Its ID is 53427. It's a matte eggshell top coat. This means that it's hasn't got any color. It's extra. So if you remember, there was a trend like last year, or it's still going on, but this is this kind of top coat that you can apply on your nail. It's gonna give you like eggshell effect, and this is how does this one looks like. It's in white color because it's 7 ml bottle, and at the base I have again used Bon Prix Jalpo HP 17, and this is how does this one looks like. It got like kind of black flakes in it, and that one it's gonna give you eggshell effect, so that's why it's called eggshell effect. So the next one is this one. Its ID is 52483. This one is actually a topper, so it's a reflective glitter gel polish top coat. It's one in glossy finish, if I'm not wrong. This one is a glossy finish, so you're just gonna apply it over your nail. It can be glitter nail or it can be a regular nail brush, I mean with the like basic color that have no effect, or you can use over those. So here I used glitter base, but it's up to you how you want to use it. So next one is 52337. It's actually a 10 ml bottle, that's why it's in black color, and this one is shade number BP45. This is actually kind of bluish color, like blue ink color, and it's giving you full cover in just one coat. You can actually see that you can't see it through the nail, and this one is actually got a pretty good brush size. It's a decent color, I would call it. It's perfect for Christmas though. If you want to create a Christmas nail, you can use this one with the white gel polish or with the red one, and they're gonna look really good. So next shade is this one, 52337, by its number BP02, and again it's a 10 ml bottle, that's why in black color. So there is no difference for in the formula used between the white one and the black one, but just that the quantity is different. And again for this one is kind of royal red color or wedding colors, you can say, but this one give you kind of jelly finish. So I would recommend you to go for this second coat, because that's just gonna help you pop out the color even more. But if you satisfied with one coat, it's up to you. If you want to go for one, you can go for one, but I would suggest you to go for two at least, so you can see the color better. So next shade is this one, 53465. It's actually a nail polish, so it's not a ball, it's a pot of 5 gram, and it's a solid nail tips gel. So for this one I never used it before. I didn't even know where was there, and I did some research and I got to know that it got 3 different ways to use. So this is how does it look from inside. There is a seal, protection seal, and then this is how does the product look from inside. It's clear gel and it's kind of solid, so you can see that it's not running from one side to other one. And to use this one, they recommend to use cuticle pusher, because this can cause allergic reaction if you're allergic to any kind of chemical that they have used in. So be sure that you use the cuticle pusher, that you don't use your hands, because it's just gonna mess up. For this one you actually have 3 different ways. You can either use it as glue for your press on nails, so that you're gonna apply it underneath your fake nail, then you're gonna stick on your natural nail, then you're gonna cure it, and your nail just gonna stick on your natural nail. Or you can use it to create actual nail art. You're just gonna apply small quantity on your nail, you're gonna model it, and then you're gonna cure it. Or you can use it to stick rhinestones. You can see here that it's quite hard to pick, but once you get used to it, I think it's gonna be easier for you to pick it up. And that's why I'm wearing gloves, because I know that I will use my hand anyway to pick them. So here I'm just gonna apply it over my nail and just gonna model it somewhere, just to create something to show you. But if you exactly know what you want to create, it's going to be a lot easier for you to model it, because you actually know what design you want. It can be actually used to create like 3D nail arts. If you don't have carving gel, you can use this product to create 3D nail arts. So it's a lot easier in comparison to the carving gel, because it's easy to model. The carving gel is kind of hard, I can say. And here I'm just trying to create something randomly. Don't think that this is the only thing that you can create. It's totally up to your creativity, what you want to create, what you cannot. And once done, I'm just gonna cure it. And here I'm using Born Pretty powder, chrome powder pen. So they launched this one like a few years ago, so if you want to get it, you can get them from their website. And I'm just gonna apply over the nail. So you can see the chrome powder actually sticks very well over it. You can actually apply any kind of product over it, because it's kind of sticky, so any powder gonna stick up easily. So I'm using chrome powder, but you can use neon powders or any kind of other powder. So this is the final look of the matte eggshell gel polish. So for this one I would recommend you to use it on light base because it pops up better. So this is how does that one look like. This is how does this one looks like. I apply the matte top coat and the glossy one so you can see clearly the difference between the glossy and the matte finish, and you can decide which one you like the most. Then this is how does the red one look like. This one is my favorite one. It's kind of red color, I can say. So I applied the flash gel on blue shade, and on this one you can see there is a huge difference between the with the ring light and without the ring light and with the flash. So here I applied the glitters, so you can see the difference between the one where I used the flash gel top coat, and the other one I haven't used it, and you can see it pops up better. So this is how does the solid gel look like, and you can see you can actually create like pretty good 3D nail art. So this is it for today's video, and I hope you liked it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.